What was the key to the Ben Ish Chai's incredible longevity and popularity, and what is included in the manuscript that you illustrate in the Great Treasures from the year 1901?
So Rabbi Yosef Chaim of Baghdad was known as the Ben Ish Chai because he wrote these incredible Svarim by that very name. He wrote many other Svarim as well. And he was the unchallenged leader of Babylonian Jewry. He was the leader. If you picture, let's say, Rabbi Ovadia Yosef in more current times, he is like synonymous with Sephardic Jewry. That's how the Ben Ish Chai was in his day and age. He was like the icon, the face of Sephardic Jewry. He was brilliant. He was charismatic. He was a masterful orator. And when he gave his drasha in the huge shul in Baghdad, it was packed with people. This was not a short drasha that he gave, like a half hour. It was a 4 to 5 hour sermon that he gave, and he was able to hold people's attention spans for 4 to 5 hours, which was quite a feat. And it wasn't just brilliant scholars; it was men, women, young and old, and they all got something from his brilliant sermons. Some of them got the halacha that he gave, the legal brilliance that he was sharing with his audience. Some got the agada, the musar, the beautiful ideas that he weaves into his drashas. His Shabbos Hagadol drasha is the one that I chose to illustrate. It was 110-page drasha. If you can imagine, if I would see a rabbi today getting up, or if people would see me as a rabbi getting up with a 110-page speech, I know what I would do. And I'm sure many other people in our generation would do the same. But apparently, he was able to have thousands of people stay in their seats and be enamored and be enthralled and at the edge of their seats by this wonderful sermon that he gave. And this was in 1901 for Shabbos Shuvah. It was the Shabbos between Rosh Hashanah and Kippur, and it was about obviously repenting, the importance of repentance. And I chose to display one of the pages of these 110.
Yeah, beautiful.